There is much debate about whether these AI could one day replace human jobs like front-end engineering. So we'll objectively examine its capabilities and limitations, as well as the broader role of AI working with humans. Front-end engineering requires a diverse mix of technical skills, soft skills, creativity, intuition, and strategic thinking. While AI holds much promise, it also faces limitations. We'll break down both sides of this nuanced topic to better understand the future relationship between human engineers and AI assistants. What is ChatGPT and what can it do? First, let's talk about what ChatGPT is and what it can currently do. ChatGPT, which stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is an AI system created by OpenAI that can generate human-like text and code based on the prompts it's given. It's built on a large neural network trained on massive amounts of data from the internet, books, and more. Some of the things ChatGPT can do that can relate to software engineering include generate code based on natural language prompts, translating concepts into code snippets, editing and improving existing code, answering programming questions, suggesting solutions to bugs, and writing documentation. So at first glance, this technology does seem like it could replace some of the work front-end engineers do on a day-to-day basis. Need to quickly mock up a new component or page design? ChatGPT can probably generate the HTML, CSS, and React code for you with a simple prompt. Want to refactor some messy code into a more modular architecture? ChatGPT can help suggest improvements. Need help debugging an issue? Ask ChatGPT for its analysis. Can ChatGPT fully replace front-end engineers? Well, ChatGPT shows promise for automating simple coding tasks. Several key limitations prevent it from fully replacing front-end engineers. Firstly, ChatGPT does not genuinely understand the code the way an engineer does. It needs to gain the ability to write complex, production-ready code that handles edge cases, security, performance, robust error handling, etc. Its code generation capabilities are limited to simple tasks and prototypes. ChatGPT also cannot refactor or optimize large, complex code bases, as it has no inherent concepts of code quality, architecture principles, technical debt, etc. It cannot thoroughly test and debug code, as it cannot reason through all edge cases or identify bugs through abstract thinking. ChatGPT also lacks the real-world experience needed to troubleshoot live production issues. Secondly, ChatGPT lacks higher-level technical skills like analyzing product requirements and translating them into technical solutions, understanding core computer science concepts like algorithms and data structures, making optimized architectural and technical decisions, and judging the quality and feasibility of technical approaches. ChatGPT cannot provide wisdom beyond its training data. Thirdly, ChatGPT has no capacity for complex system design, including designing scalable, resilient, and secure system architectures. Selecting appropriate frameworks, tools, and technologies for a product, modeling databases, APIs, servers, infrastructure, etc., and making technology decisions to meet functional and non-functional requirements. Fourthly, ChatGPT lacks the social and communication skills needed to collaborate effectively, like collaborating creatively with teammates, communicating complex ideas through discussion and whiteboarding, debating approaches and making collective decisions, and providing meaningful human input, judgment, and wisdom. Fifthly, ChatGPT can easily generate incorrect, nonsensical, or even dangerous code without warning. Every line of code would require thorough vetting before being reliable for production. It has no true ability to discern right versus wrong answers, merely generating plausible-seeming text. Finally, ChatGPT has fixed capabilities based on its training data. It does not organically learn and expand skills over time like a human engineer. ChatGPT cannot adapt to new domains and problems unless explicitly retrained by OpenAI. In summary, while ChatGPT shows promise as an AI assistant, full replacement of front-end engineers remains unlikely for the foreseeable future due to the many facets of higher-level human intelligence it currently lacks. It will continue to take on more rote coding work, but cannot reason, design, collaborate, or learn like an engineer can. The future role of AI assistants. While a full replacement of engineers is unlikely in the near future, AI assistants like ChatGPT will take on an increasingly important augmentative role. tedious coding tasks like implementing simplistic UI layouts, basic CRUD functionality, and rudimentary workflows will be automated. ChatGPT excels at this repetitive, rote coding work and will free engineers from having to do it themselves. With the right prompts, ChatGPT can also produce starter code, boilerplate, scaffolding, and skeletal code frameworks to bootstrap development and accelerate the process. The AI can be used for quickly mocking up interfaces, components, and interactions, as well as to rapidly prototype and validate ideas, supporting more agile iteration. For straightforward bugs, ChatGPT may also be able to spot issues in logic and suggest fixes to aid debugging. The AI can answer many common trivial coding questions, freeing up engineers from this distraction. AI assistants can also help generate documentation like API specs, technical tutorials, etc., to augment docs written by engineers. Overall, ChatGPT lowers the barriers to entry for non-programmers as well as to generate scripts, prototypes, and concepts. However, human engineers will remain essential for oversight and higher-level skills. All AI-generated code will still need thorough vetting by engineers for correctness before implementation in production. Engineers will need to re-engineer ChatGPT's code to meet quality, security, reliability, and scalability standards. Any prototypes and mock-ups will still need refinement by engineers into viable end products. Human collaboration, leadership, and strategic thinking will be crucial for guiding projects successfully. Engineers will also be indispensable for bringing creative problem-solving, strategic thinking, and engineering judgment, augmenting complex system design. While ChatGPT cannot independently design complex systems, it can help engineers by rapidly prototyping alternative architectures for evaluation and suggesting potential frameworks, tools, and technologies for a given problem. The AI can also generate boilerplate code for standard systems like REST APIs, databases, and user authentication to accelerate development. ChatGPT can even help identify security vulnerabilities that need to be addressed and model expected system performance based on parameters provided to it. This allows engineers to iterate on designs faster while still providing critical human oversight on key decisions. Supporting team collaboration, AI assistants can also augment team collaboration by taking meeting notes, tracking tasks, and creating documentation to lower the administrative workload. They can monitor team communications to extract action items, suggest meeting agenda items based on project tracking, and answer routine team questions to eliminate redundant interruptions. AI can also help with scheduling meetings and optimizing calendars to improve coordination. However, human engineers remain essential for creative, open-ended collaboration that AI cannot replicate. Share your thoughts in the comments. We're looking forward to discussing this fascinating topic. That's our analysis of whether ChatGPT will replace front-end engineers. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more content on AI, tech careers, and the future of software development. We'll see you in the next video.